Hello guys, my name is Wasim and today we are going to start our lecture number 2 of web designing. First of all, before starting the lecture here, I want to tell you about that there are two types of websites. First is static site and second one is dynamic sites. Now, what is static site? A static website contains web pages with fixed content. Each page is coded in HTML and displays the same information to every visitor. Static sites are the most basic type of websites and the easiest to create. A static site can be built by simply creating a few HTML pages and publishing them to web server. This works well for small sites. Like if you want to make your small websites, you can create your static sites just from the HTML. There is no need of coding like PHP, WordPress, or ASP. You do not need. So when we talk about the dynamic sites, what is dynamic sites? Dynamic website contain web pages that are generated in real time. These pages include web scripting code such as PHP and ASP. Most large websites are dynamic since they are easier to maintain than static websites. This is because static pages each contain unique content, meaning they must be manual opened, edited, and published whenever a change is made. Now, hope you will understand this thing. We will start the work from static sites, then we will go for creating dynamic sites because structure of the static site is important to understand and for creating the dynamic sites, right? Now let's start from basic steps. So, student, in the last lecture we talked about some very basic learning and uh, about the tags. And if you have any difficulty in the last lecture and you think that you do not understand anything, so you can share it with me and you can comment me and ask any question freely so that we could understand your problems and I will tell you the best answers. And that's why if you will not understand the last lecture, then you cannot understand the next lecture. So you should ask questions if you do not understand it. Understand in the last lecture. So before going to start, I request to everyone, please subscribe my channel and like my videos and share my videos so that everyone can understand it very easily and can make their websites in a very professional way. Today we will start from HTML. As I told you, for starting the HTML static websites we need this one notepad and three browsers, or you can also use Safari or anything, but these are the three browsers which use commonly. So we open the notepad here, right? I will pick the font, make a bigger font for you, and this is I have told you that in the last lecture that this is the editor. Now we will write here the basic structure of the website on which website is based. Now let's start from the angle bracket. First of all, let me increase the size for you. Right, these was the angle brackets which I told you in the last lecture, And the basic rule is here, which I told you in the last lecture, that if you are going to make a one tag, opening tag or starting tag, definitely you will write closing tag or ending tag like this. I have right here, this is opening tag and this is your closing tag. Now guys, when you are going to make your website, everything will be in these two tags, like any code, anything in your website, whether it is static site or dynamic site, you will write every code in these two tags. Do you understand this? Right. So the main, there are two tags which use in the website. The first one is called head tag, as I have right here head opening tag, so definitely I will write here closing head tag, right? And the second tag, which is very important, that is called the body tag in the website, right? So I have write opening tag of body, then I will write here closing tag as well as. Okay, now what is head tag? Head tag mean that this is the tag which you have seen in the websites, the menu, like you have seen like menu in this way in the websites, logo, banner, and in the body remaining part of the website, which is called the body tag. So in the head tag, we can, there are also many tags we can write, like if we want to write here like title of the website. What is the title of the website? You can write here the title tag. So the closing title tag, please make this habit that if you are going to write any tag, then immediately write the closing tag in the HTML. Now I will write here like something basic HTML, right? So I have write a title in the head tag. Now what I will do is in the body tag I will write something like welcome to my web page, right? So I write this thing here, right? So guys, now I will save this. How I will save this? I will write save as. I will go there and write here index, because please remember, in every case, whether it is dynamic site or a static site, your first file of the websites will be saved as index with the name of index. Okay, so I will write here index, as we are learning about HTML, so I will save it like index.html. We have to tell him that we are going to save this thing in HTML. Okay, right, save this site. Now you can see here this one, the file is here index.html, and if I will see the output, I want to see the output, then what I will do is I will just click on it and we'll see, like you can see I have write in the title tag basic HTML. You can see that this is the title you can see here, and in the body tag I write welcome to my web page. So you can see this thing that this is here. So this is your first website you can say that you have made. And one thing which is very important here, students ask about that, is for using Chrome, internet, or Firefox or any browser we need the internet? No, we do not need any internet at this level, because the site can work without the internet. Okay, now If I want to change this thing, like I have write this, and I want to change the spell of page like in the capital letter. How I will do this? If I want to open the site, I cannot open the site from here. If I will open the notepad from here, there is nothing in the notepad. So what I will do is, I will do open with this one, notepad. So you can see this is your site. Okay. Now I want to change the welcome to my web page. The spell of the web page, I want that it should be greater in the caps. So what I will do here, I will do right like this and then save it. When I will save it, and I will see here, I will refresh the page now. Now you can see the page spell is changed right now. Now today in the today's lecture, I will do one thing more for you. I will tell you that how you can change the color of the background. For this purpose, you are going to change the color of the body. So here is property pg. Sorry, you will write in the small letters pg color. Like sky blue. Let me tell you and explain you what is this, what I have right here. This is called the property, the CSS property. Here we are writing HTML. Also, I will tell you about the CSS. CSS is, you can say, backend language, which these are the properties which you can change the website's appearance with the help of CSS. Like I have right here BG color. This is called the property, and this one sky blue is the attribute. Okay, and we have to write this property in the inverted commas with equal to sign. Now I will save this thing. Okay, and I will refresh my browser here. Yes, you can see the output is sky blue with the background sky blue. Hope you are understanding this. So the color is changed. So students, if you have any query or you are not understanding anything at this level, you can comment in my video. I will answer your questions so that in the next lecture we can go further. And till then you should know about that how you can write the HTML in the what is the head tag and what is the body tag. You should know about this, and how you can change the background color. So this is all for the day. Thank you so much. We will meet in the next lecture tomorrow. Thank you.